Well, we got some fog out there this morning to navigate your way through. In fact, a lot of fog out there. Let's start with the view from our WeatherBug cameras and logged fog here in Bedford County from the Webb School in Bell Buckle. Skies are brightening, but you're not going to see much sunshine initially this morning. Got to get rid of the fog first. Quite a bit of fog rolling off the Tennessee River from the city of Clifton in Wayne County, but it's not just near the rivers and lakes of the mid-state where we're seeing that widespread fog. There's plenty of it here in Nashville as well. It's still, for the most part, dark. We're still half an hour away from sunrise, but you can see that fog outlined by the streetlights here in the parking lot at the St. Henry School. Temperature and the dew point are exactly the same, so the humidity is 100%. The winds are picking up a little bit. Hopefully that'll help to stir the atmosphere around, disperse some of the fog, but give yourself some extra time if you can on your way out the door. The good news is it's not freezing fog. Temperatures are well into the 40s across most of the mid-state, including 46 degrees in Nashville, 49 in Murfreesboro. That's the warm location, and even the cool spots on the map are well above freezing, just in the upper 30s in Tullahoma, McMinnville, and in Livingston. The fog will dissipate. Temperatures are going to warm up as we head through the rest of the day. In fact, temperatures are going to climb up into the mid-60s this afternoon, way above normal for this time of year. Upper 50s already by noon, and then about a dozen degrees above average later on today. But the warm-up is really just kicking in. Let's take a look at Futurecast, and again, you can see the fog as all the gray on the background here. Futurecast even painting it as some shower activity because of how thick the fog is. No showers, though. We'll see sunshine this afternoon, and then more clouds beginning to build in this evening, and these are actual showers that could hit the ground tonight and throughout the day tomorrow. A very slight chance, though. A lot of this is going to evaporate before it hits the ground. 20% shower chance tomorrow and Saturday. It's nothing you need to plan around. The bigger factor is going to be the breezy conditions that start kicking in tomorrow, and those winds are going to bring some really warm weather towards us as we head into the first half of the weekend, really the entire weekend, but it's the first half of the weekend. Saturday, when we're likely to break a record high temperature. Forecasting a high of 72 for Nashville. The record is 70, and look at the date on that. 1873. That is a very well-established record that we are going to likely break on Saturday. All this ahead of a strong storm system that's going to be moving through the middle of the country. Saturday is going to bring the possibility of severe weather through Texas and Oklahoma and eastward into Arkansas and Louisiana. Those storms are eventually going to head towards us, but whether they actually maintain themselves as thunderstorms is the big question mark at this point. There's the developing storm system out to our west on Futurecast. You see everything kind of merging into a line of rain with embedded thunderstorms as we head through Saturday night into early Sunday morning. That line crosses over the Mississippi River by about midday on Sunday, moves into the mid-state late Sunday afternoon and into Sunday evening, but still a lot of question marks surrounding the system, as I mentioned. So here's what to expect for the weekend. It's going to be warm and breezy all weekend, record or at least near record high temperatures. Rain likely, near 100% chance of rain Sunday evening and Sunday night. The greatest severe weather mix is going to be down to our south. If that sneaks a little bit farther to the north and we do get actual thunderstorms to develop, then straight line winds are going to be the main concern if we get any severe thunderstorms in our part of the country. We're not included in any extended outlooks from the Storm Prediction Center. It's not something I'm overly worried about, but it's definitely something I'll keep an eye on as we get closer to the weekend. Once that system moves through, temperatures will drop, but we're still going to be above normal for at least the first half of next week. Melanie?
All right, thanks, Paul. Taking a look outside, traffic's really starting to pick up over here